Hey everyone, Jeff Corwin here, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this wild adventure. Today we're climbing high into the Rainforest Canopy, a hidden world above the forest floor where few people ever get to go. Up here sunlight pours in, colors pop, and the air buzzes with life. It's a place where every sense comes alive, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature at its most vibrant. The canopy is like a city in the sky, teeming with creatures you won't find anywhere else. It's a bustling neighborhood, high above the ground where animals have carved out their own unique homes. Monkeys swing, birds dazzle, and insects blend in perfectly. Every inch is alive. Even the smallest branch is a highway for some tiny traveler. This isn't just a bunch of trees, it's a complex, bustling metropolis. Each layer of the canopy is home to different species, all interacting in a delicate balance. Getting up here is tough, but the view, a sea of green stretching forever, is worth it. It's like standing on the roof of the world, looking out over an endless ocean of leaves. Think of the rainforest as a giant building, and the canopy is the penthouse where all the action happens. This is where the rainforest's most exciting stories unfold. Life moves fast up here, with every animal and plant playing a vital role. It's a race for survival, and every day brings new challenges and surprises. We're about to meet some of the most specialized and fascinating creatures on Earth. These animals are true masters of their environment. They've adapted in remarkable ways to thrive far from the ground, developing skills and features you won't see anywhere else. The hum of insects, the calls of birds, and the rustle of leaves create a wild symphony. It's a living concert playing day and night. The canopy is the heart and soul of the rainforest, pulsing with energy and life. So let's gear up and start our climb into this amazing world of green. There's so much to discover, and every step takes us deeper into the unknown. The adventure is just beginning. We're about to unlock the secrets of a world few have ever seen. Ready to explore the secrets of the treetops? Let's go. There's a whole new world waiting for us up here. So, what is the canopy? Picture standing on the forest floor and looking up at a thick, green ceiling of leaves and branches. This ceiling, formed by the tallest trees, can be over 100 feet above the ground. It's so dense it blocks most sunlight and rain from reaching below. The canopy is the rainforest's solar-powered kitchen, where most photosynthesis happens. It fuels the entire ecosystem, producing food for countless animals. The canopy isn't flat, it's a three-dimensional world, with emergent trees towering even higher. Below, the understory tries to catch the little sunlight that filters through. Up here, plants and animals face strong winds, hot sun, and dramatic temperature changes. Only the toughest and most adaptable survive in this world of extremes. That's what makes the canopy so fascinating. Now for the stars of the show, the animals. Spider monkeys swing with ease, using their tails like extra hands to grab fruit. Howler monkeys announce their presence with booming calls that echo for miles. Scarlet macaws and keel-billed toucans flash brilliant colors as they soar through the leaves. The toucan's huge beak is surprisingly light, perfect for reaching fruit. The canopy is alive with insects, leafcutter ants, stick insects, and dazzling blue morpho butterflies. Red-eyed tree frogs sleep camouflaged on leaves, flashing their eyes to startle predators. Emerald tree boas coil in the branches waiting for prey. Every animal here has a unique adaptation for survival in this high-rise jungle. The treetops are a non-stop wildlife spectacle. Let's see what else calls this place home. The animals depend on the incredible plants of the canopy, which form a dense green roof high above the forest floor. Towering trees stretch ever upward, competing fiercely for sunlight, but many plants have developed clever strategies to survive in this crowded world. Epiphytes, like orchids and bromeliads, grow on branches, turning them into hanging gardens that never touch the ground. Bromeliads collect rainwater in their leaves, creating tiny ponds that become safe havens for insects, frogs, and even small birds. Lianas, or woody vines, climb up from the forest floor, weaving through the trees and forming natural highways for animals to travel and explore. Canopy plants rely on birds, bats, and insects to spread their pollen and seeds, ensuring the next generation of plants can thrive. Bright flowers and sweet nectar attract pollinators, while colorful fruits entice animals to carry seeds far and wide, helping the forest regenerate. This partnership between plants and animals keeps the canopy thriving, creating a web of life that supports countless species. Every branch is a stage for life's creativity, where new relationships and adaptations are constantly unfolding. The canopy is a living, growing garden in the sky, teeming with energy and endless possibilities. Let's discover how these remarkable plants shape the treetop world and support the rainforest's incredible diversity. Nature's ingenuity is on full display up here, where every leaf and branch tells a story of survival and connection. In the canopy, everything is connected. The Brazil nut tree depends on a single bee species for pollination. No bee, no nuts. Sloths host algae and moths in their fur, creating a tiny ecosystem on their backs. Harpy eagles keep prey populations healthy, forcing monkeys and sloths to stay alert. Leafcutter ants prune trees and cultivate fungus, recycling nutrients for the forest. Every creature from eagle to ant is a vital thread in this living tapestry. Pull one thread and the whole system changes. The canopy's strength is in its connections. Interdependence is the secret to its resilience. Every life here shapes the world above and below. That's the magic of the rainforest canopy. Life in the canopy is nothing like life on the forest floor. These two realms, though separated by just a few dozen meters, are as different as night and day. Up top, sunlight fuels a riot of growth and a noisy, bustling community of climbers and flyers. Birds, monkeys, and insects dart between branches, making the canopy a vibrant, ever-changing world. Down below, only a trickle of light reaches the ground, creating a world of shadows and silence. The air is cooler, and the atmosphere feels hushed, almost mysterious. Floor plants have big, dark leaves to catch every bit of light. They stretch and reach, adapting to survive in the dim undergrowth. Jaguars, tapirs, and armadillos patrol the leaf litter, while insects break down fallen debris. Every creature here plays a role in the cycle of life. The canopy's food web is built on fresh leaves and fruit. The floors is built on what drops from above. Each layer depends on the other for food and energy. Decomposers recycle nutrients, feeding the giant trees that reach for the sun. Without them, the forest would grind to a halt. The two worlds are different but completely connected. Roots and branches link the layers, weaving a web of life from top to bottom. Each depends on the other to survive. The actions of one ripple through the entire ecosystem, shaping the fate of all. The rainforest is a masterpiece of balance, where every living thing has its place and purpose. From the treetops to the ground, every layer matters. Each is vital to the health and harmony of the whole forest. That's the wonder of this living forest, a world where diversity and connection create endless life. The rainforest canopy is vital for our planet's health. Its billions of leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping regulate climate and clean our air. The canopy drives the water cycle, releasing moisture that forms clouds and brings rain worldwide. Destroying rainforests disrupts weather, causes droughts and floods. The canopy is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Many species and potential medicines are found only here. Protecting it is an investment in our future. We can help by choosing sustainable products, reducing waste, and supporting conservation. Learning and sharing the canopy's story inspires others to care. This wild green crown is fragile. It's up to us to keep it thriving for generations to come.